Look at you. You're so happy and joyful. Yeah. You are such a happy baby in the morning. Look at you. You're so happy and joyful. Yeah. That is wonderful. No. Are you gonna talk to the people this morning? Are you gonna say hello on the vlog this time? Hello. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas once again. Today is day 15 and I'm so happy we're back on track now. It's now 7:30. You guys excuse my hair because I threw it up in a bun and it's just messy right now. She's chilling back there and in her own little zone right now. It is such a blessing to have such a happy, joyful baby. I'm not saying like babies aren't, all babies are just not happy, but like you have, you know, people out there that have babies that are just fussy almost all the time. The Lord God just knew that I did not have time for that. We did not have time for that. So no, but I really am thankful that we have such a joyful and happy child. Like Kaya is so happy and content almost basically all the time. Now she does cry, I'm gonna say that. She cries, she gets fussy, but it's only at times when like if she feels like she's getting cold. She does not like to be cold. She does not like to be undressed or get her clothes changed. Or if she's experiencing colic, then she's fussy during that. And my husband does a really good job with like consoling her when she gets colic, and I appreciate him doing that, because a lot of times like I try to console her and I don't know, something about a father's touch, I guess, that really soothes her. Kaya's just always happy and content. She's such a calm baby. Like even in the hospital after giving birth to her, like those like 2 nights of being in the hospital, like she was so calm and quiet. She just was very observant and looking around all the time a lot, which was so funny. Or like there would be times where she'd be up like, I don't know, like 3 a.m. We're thinking she's hungry. She would not make a sound. She just wanted to be wide awake and just looking around her surroundings, and it would be so cute. But like I was always thinking, oh my gosh, like, you know, she's probably ready to eat again, like let's try to feed her before she gets fussy. Nothing. Very thankful, because I really do love Kaya, and she is a joy to be around. And I mean, even if you're not in the best mood, like it's just something about Kaya's presence that really brings peace and joy. Okay guys, so I fixed my bun a little bit better, hopefully. And I'm about to make my breakfast now because Kaya is like in and out napping again from eating. So I'm gonna use that brioche bread that we bought in our Costco grocery haul. So if you didn't see that Vlogmas video, be sure to check it out. Let me just tell you guys, I've already tasted the bread myself. I've had few slices already since we bought it. It is amazing. It's the perfect bread to make French toast, bread puddings, and things like that. looking lovely right now. They are almost done, and then I added some more chicken sausage to the pan. I'm trying to think. Oh, my absolute favorite chicken sausage to buy is from Publix, and it's the Alfresco brand that comes in the green package. That chicken sausage, you guys, is so good. I highly recommend it. And every now and then we catch it on sale at Publix where it'll be like 2 for $6. You like stock up a little bit because you only get seven links in a pack, and we get the apple maple flavor. It is so good. This is the one I'm cooking right now is the brand that's from Costco that I told you guys about, and it's really good too. I really do like it. Alright guys, so surprisingly I'm in my car again. I have an appointment to run to real quick, and then I have to go pick up an order that I placed at Target. And it's really nice here today, I must say. Yesterday was so cloudy, gloomy, and rainy, and then today it's just beautiful blue skies and sunny. Almost feels like a nice spring type of day, more so than winter, but I'll take it, you know. So let's go do that. And I also styled my hair today. It's a half up, half down. My hair's grown back so quickly from how much I cut off when I did my little mom cut, that I was able to put it in a half up, half down today, and then twist across the front here. It's pretty sunny outside right now, but I am done my appointment and I came up here to Target because I placed an order online for some more baking stuff I didn't have at home that I need for these holiday desserts I'm making. Really, I just got 2 cake pans and a cake stand with a lid, and then I got some almond extract because I need that for the cake I'm making. I don't really talk about this on videos, and maybe it's something I can talk about, but you know, if you're like high risk and you want to still be able to go out and do things for yourself without being exposed or, you know, putting yourself in harm to COVID, try to order online and just select the option to pick it up in store if it's available. Most time in today's world you can do that almost anywhere now, some sort of way, and it's free to do that as an option. If it's something you know you can't order from Amazon and just have it dropped off or delivered to your home the next day or two, just select that as an option and try to go as soon as the store opens if you can, or when you know it's not as busy of a time. Like, I didn't get to go early today because I'm a stay-at-home mom now, and I have to take care of Kaya and be at home, and my car is not car seat friendly. But yeah, so what I do, because I know I'm at higher risk of COVID and stuff like that, I really prepare myself. I wear a mask everywhere because of course you should. I know there are states and areas in states where it's not required, but I'm still going to wear a mask regardless. And then I keep packs and packs and packs of gloves in my car. I know I'm going to go out somewhere where, you know, I got to touch stuff, put my hands on things. I just personally wear gloves. Even though I'm just running in to pick up an order and I just go to the customer service desk to pick it up at the Target, I'm still going to wear my gloves because they're going to hand me that bag, and I don't want to expose my hands to the bag because I wasn't there to see how they packaged and picked up all the items that I ordered online. So just try to be careful any way you can.